todo ang energy natin.
Paano mo na yung energy, Anne?
Ayan ka na
Sige,
naman.
magpahula ka naman. Go,
Sige,
Anne.
sampulan natin. Hello mga kapatid! Isa pa mga kapatid! Yan. Welcome po muli dito sa TV5 Mid-Year Media and Trade Celebration. Dito po sa napakagandang studio, MVP studio. Grabe dips, no? Nisip ko nga eh.
First time ko dito.
Pwede bang ikasal dito? Naghanap kami ng venue eh.
Ano to, events
Ay, sa
place?
di ba? Oo. Baka lang naman. Baka
2026, and it's also for our dearest advertiser friends. Nandito po kayo, ayan, to discover strong content and growing platforms for more opportunities to connect, syempre, with our kapatid audience. Kaya, again, maraming salamat po for being here with us.
tama yun, Dips. Alam nyo mga kapatid, as you all know, napapanood na po ngayon ang mga bagong shows na nilaunch ng TV5 sa unang bahagi, Dips, ng 2026. And we also have a glimpse of some of the new programs that are coming your way. Makikita natin yan in just a few moments. So antayin nyo po.
At syempre, dahil very special po kayo sa amin as our friends from our media and our advertisers, you will also have a chance to see and meet our stars and hosts of some of TV5's current and upcoming programs. Mamaya yan.
Oo, talaga bago namin kasama sa umaga. Abangan nyo yan, maya-maya lamang. At kung excited po kayo ma-meet kung sino lahat ng mga bago natin nakasama, I'm sure excited na din silang ma-meet po kayong lahat. Ang balita ko nga, yung iba sa kanila Dips ay makakausap at magper-perform pa para sa atin.
Syempre, at hindi lang po yan, hindi lang yan Ajay as our valued partners, you will also have the chance to win prizes this afternoon. Meron tayong mga pa-games
Yo.
dito para sa ating audience sa studio, di ba? Naka-attend na kayo, meron pa tayo. Alam mo, yun ang gusto
May
ko.
pa-house and lot ka ba?
Kasama po ba kami doon? Ay, hindi pala kami kasama, Boss G. Hindi pa kami kasama, Sir Ricky. Okay.
Hindi ba? Hindi ba, boss?
Ha?
Pwede?
Huwag ka mag-alala, iba yung pangalan ko sa ano ko eh,
Ha?
screen name, hindi nila mahalata.
Ah.
Sa'yo pareho.
Mahahalata nila eh, no? Pero mamaya po yan, so lahat hindi po uuwi ng luhaan, ika nga. Ang tanong, paano nga ba, Dips, makakasali sa ating raffle? Well, simple lang po. Digital na ang lahat, alam mo naman yan. Kaya, all you need to do is answer your question by scanning this QR code that you will be seeing. There it is. Ito na po.
Ang high-tech na natin sinusulat pa.
Oo, di ba? Dinidictate pa eh. Ngayon, QR code na, malinaw po yan para sa ating studio audience. Para lang po ito, para malinaw lang po at sa mga nanonood sa live stream. This is for our media members and advertisers only.
Oo, dito sa studio.
Yes,
so
that's
only
right.
the ones in the studio can qualify for that.
Correct. Okay, tara, load tayo. Anong gusto mo?
Ano nga bang gusto nilang mapanood dito sa TV5? Scan the QR code to answer. When you scan and answer, you get a chance to win 5,000 peso worth of restaurant GCs from the Moment Group. Love that. Walang maling sagot dyan. Lahat tama.
Nakapag-scan na ba ang lahat? Nakapag-scan na?
Ano yung labas
Oh.
phone ko?
iPhone mo.
Mag-scan ako dyan.
Kita nyo naman po, co-host na, PA pa. Ito phone mo.
Ah, sige, ganito lang po ha. Iangat mo
Pakita
ang
mo.
mga telepono.
Okay, okay.
Scan. Oo. Nako, Andre. Huwag ka na raw, Andre.
Ha?
Oo.
Okay,
Ayan.
sige.
At sumagot
Scan
na
mo na.
ano ba yung mga gusto niyong mapanood sa
Oo.
TV5. Okay.
Scan na. You only have a few more seconds left, so scan away. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ayan.
Yan ang data ng ating winners mamaya. Thank you
Yes.
naman yung phone ko. Thank you.
Pwede ko na ba iuwi ito?
Bala ka.
Pro Max to. At bago natin makilala ang ating mga winners, mag-enjoy muna tayo ngayong hapon. Kasi we have so many things in store for you. Samahan niyo po kami as we give you a preview of what TV5 has in store para sa ating mga kapatid for the rest of 2026.
At tunay naman pong special talaga ang hapon na ito dahil hindi lamang dahil dito ang ating mga valued partners, media friends, advertisers, but also because we are joined by some of our coolest bosses in TV5.
Yes, mga boss, good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. At sa ating mga boss, mga bisita, distinguished guests, speaking of bosses, ang isa po sa kanila ay nandito to formally welcome us. At simulan ang ating event ngayong hapon. Dips, he's always present in big events
And even in small events.
Yes, and small events. And kahit sa umaga, binibisita tayo.
Oo,
Alas
namimiss ko
5
na nga eh. Oo.
Boss,
Boss,
bukas.
5:30.
See you tomorrow, 5:30
See you
in
at
the morning.
5:30, boss.
Mga kapatid, let's all welcome TV5's President and CEO, the one and only GRC, Mr. Kito R. Zapaliero.
Badgi!
Ninong!
Ako, ninong na yan. Thank you. So, magandang araw mga kapatid. And thank you for being with us today. We are excited to share what's next for TV5 and the stories we'll be bringing to more and more Filipinos in the months ahead. In the first half of the year, I'll just take you back a little bit. We launched exciting new shows. A Secret in Prague and My Best Friend Eman. Each connecting with the audiences in different ways, from a mystery, comedy, and romance to a heartfelt way of storytelling. We're especially proud to see A Secret in Prague to have ranked among the top 10 titles on Netflix for several weeks. We also launched a revamped face-to-face with Ate Coring, basically refreshing the program with a lighter, more lifestyle thrust for a new generation of viewers. This year also reaffirmed the power of collaboration with a renewed partnership with ABS-CBN, thus allowing more and more Filipinos to discover TV5 content, while opening new opportunities for audiences to enjoy and even more great Filipino stories para sa mga kapatid at kapamilya. So in the evening, from Sigabo to Someone Someday, where Dimples is a part of, to A Secret in Prague across both platforms. Our partnership is built on a simple shared belief that when great stories reach more people, everyone benefits. Our audiences, our creators, our advertisers, and our partners, and ultimately, the whole industry. As we continue to grow, our mission remains the same: to bring great Filipino stories to more Filipinos across television, digital, and wherever our audience is. They may choose to watch it wherever they are. We're committed to telling stories that inspire, entertain, inform, and connect with them. So today, you'll see how we're building on that momentum, from strengthening our programming and expanding our digital presence, to introducing exciting new properties, such as what you've seen here, Star Wars, that's Block 1, and a refreshed Vibe Plus, where this is the studio where we conduct Vibe Plus live every weekend. Together, these reflect how TV5 continues to evolve, not just by creating more content, but by giving more Filipino stories, and the talented people behind them a bigger stage to reach more audiences. So to you, our friends in the press, media, agencies, and brand partners, thank you for your continued trust. We truly value our partnership, and we're excited about what we can achieve together in the months ahead. We're excited to give you a first look at our new programs, new partnerships, and new stories to look forward to in the second half of 2026. So mga kapatid, let's take a look at what's ahead at tara na sa TV5. Thank you.